In front of me is Motorola Razr 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this device. First of all, go into Play Store to get this app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to hit Apps, hit Default Apps, tap on Home app and apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it. Then choose Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, my layout was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes, go into Launcher app. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, you can always do that by going back to Devices Settings, clicking on Moto App Launcher and waiting. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!